The BOOSANT 52-inch black ceiling fan is equipped with Alexa integration, allowing effortless voice control for adjusting speed and lighting. With an advanced DC motor, this ceiling fan offers impressive airflow performance and operates quietly, making it ideal for maintaining a cool and comfortable environment. The fan features 3 ambient light colors, providing personalized lighting options to suit any mood or setting. Engineered for whisper-quiet operation, this fan runs at a noise level of 29 decibels, ensuring peace and tranquility in any room. Installation is straightforward, with included downrods and slope mounting support, and the stylish design complements various decors. The fan's moisture-resistant finish makes it suitable for both indoor and covered outdoor spaces, and it comes with reliable technical support.